Back with another video, man. I know you guys haven't seen me did a prank or a video by myself in a long while, man. I know I've been slacking, I know I've been pranking me all the time. It's because I've been having the time, you know what I'm saying? Well, I finally got time today. Well, I got a little time, but I don't got a little time, you know what I'm saying? It's cold as hell out here, guys. It's like 4 degrees in Houston, Texas. Like, god damn. Alright, guys, I don't got that much time, man. I gotta hurry up and do this prank, you know what I'm saying? I can't even get to do my intro all the way, man. But what I'm gonna do is, guys, you guys better title by the thumbnail. I'm gonna be doing the hiding my girlfriend's iPhone prank. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hide it somewhere in the room. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, maybe somewhere in the ceiling. Somewhere, you know what I'm saying? I'm hiding somewhere. I don't have that much time. I've been waiting for this prank all morning. She's currently in the shower right now. But babe always shower early in the morning. So she's in the shower right now. She's been started like a good 5 minutes ago, so I gotta hurry up. You know what I'm saying? She's probably gonna take a good watch. I always take a shower, a long time in the shower. It's gonna be summer up there. I'm gonna go in there right now and yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, comment down below, man. Team JAVAUGHN, man. Team JAVAUGHN, you know what I'm saying? I'm back with another banger, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go do this prank, man. Guys, her phone is in the restroom. I think I saw her, but it's not over here. It's in the restroom. Guys, I got the phone. The prank is a go. It's a go. Shit, but I gotta make sure she can make a reaction. I don't know. Hopefully she can make a reaction. But as I said, I probably had it somewhere up there. You know what? I could put this mug in there. But I gotta screw these out. I ain't got my, what's the name? That's what I'm gonna do. Put this back on. I'll be back. Yo!
See my phone?
Huh?
See my phone?
No, I thought you took it in the shower with you. Oh, I don't know.
Oh shit, it's cold out there. Why you got the fan on now? Like, hey, it's cold.
It's not cold, man. I don't know what you're talking about. You just took a shower, so I thought it was gonna be cold. What you doing?
Turn it off.
I'm finna up there again.
Babe, come on now.
You want to turn it off, not me.
Okay. Did you see my phone?
No.
I need to call Greenie.
Huh?
I need to call her before she leaves.
Oh, she going somewhere?
Yeah. Babe, you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
You seen it?
Mm-mm.
Huh?
Mm-mm.
Which one? FIFA?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What's up?
Oh my god.
Man, I don't see it.
Babe, come on now.
I don't see it, but you
I'm
got
right here with me. What time is it?
12:08.
Ah! Babe, she probably about to leave for the day.
Huh?
She probably about to leave for the day.
Babe, I don't have your phone, so why you...
Because I brought it in here.
Okay, then I don't know where it's at.
Why are you yelling at me? You act like your phone is missing. Don't yell at me.
What?
What the problem is? Babe, come on.
You're tripping, bro.
No.
Babe, I don't have your phone, babe.
It's not in here. Uh-oh.
What?
call mama. I gotta check on her.
So why you didn't call them before you go in the shower?
Because I just remembered it. And then I gotta call Zeke back because it's interview. I need to call people.
But I know where your phone is, man. I know I saw you bring it in the shower, so I know where your phone is.
It's not in there.
Then what you want me to do about that?
Help me find it. Bro.
You want to call it?
Huh?
You can call it, honestly. Babe, I could have sworn you took your phone in the shower.
No, it's not in there.
So where you left it at? You look on the bed.
Babe. It's not on the bed.
Who?
Why it look like you was all on the bed? I just made it up.
What you talking about?
Man. Babe, come on, help me find my
Babe, I don't
phone.
know where your phone is, bro.
Okay, well get off the game and help me find it.
Get out the game. I said I was gonna play the game. You said okay, so what do you mean get out the game?
Okay, well can you just pause it real quick so you can help me find it?
Nigga, I don't know where your phone is.
Who called nigga?
You.
Nigga. Babe, come on, just help me.
Gold all in my chain.
I can't stand you.
Gold all in my
Babe,
chain.
help me find it.
Babe, finish up in the game, man. Hold on.
No, just wait.
Babe, finish up in the
I don't know why you playing FIFA anyways, because you always get an attitude and stuff.
So?
How the fuck you open this?
You gotta keep playing the game. Don't get mad at that button now.
Babe, come on, help me. Can you open it?
Babe, I'm finna play the game, man. Can I play the game, please?
No, just wait. You played it last night.
You was asleep.
Babe, come on.
The game started, babe.
You online?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. Babe, chill out, man.
He gonna have to come back to y'all when he help me find my doggone phone. Okay? Now, get off the game. They know. They understand.
Wait a minute. Look, man, look at him in my score, bro. Chill
Man,
out.
I don't care about no doggone FIFA, DFA, Kifa, whatever.
Well, I don't care about your phone, but find shit yourself. I know that shit.
Help me
Move,
find
bro.
my phone.
I know where your phone is.
Can you open this?
You want too much right now.
Babe, come on. It's not opening. Otherwise, I will open it myself. You did something to it. Okay, never mind. Babe, come on. Can you help me find it? Babe.
Man, you annoying right now. I know where your phone is.
Babe, come on.
I know where your phone is.
Yes, you do. You can help me look for it.
Babe, how am I know? Try to retrace where you put it. I know where you put it.
I did. You ignore me.
Babe, I don't have your phone.
I know.
Here. Call it. Use my phone. Call it. Wait, jeez, I'm not trying to play this game.
I don't care about your game.
I know you don't care about the game, but I care. Shit, I don't want to lose.
You can restart it.
No, nigga. No, what the hell?
It's not even ringing.
No, I don't know. You sure it's not dead?
Yes, I charged it. But it's not ringing. Come on. Just get off the game for 5 minutes to help me look for my phone. How the fuck you turn this off?
Babe, chill out!
Come on. Just help me look for it really quick, and then you can get back on.
Babe, can you give me a second? I don't know what you doing.
I'm putting on clothes.
Go in the shower. Go in the shower with your clothes on.
Well, I can put it on right here.
Oh, I mean, it's up to you, so.
You the one said something then.
Man, go in the shower, bro. I don't want to see it in my eye.
Why?
You distracting me right now.
How am I distracting you?
Babe, go in the shower, bro.
Fine. Listen, you better have my phone when I come out of here. Find my phone. Did you find it?
No.
Are you looking? Are you looking?
Yeah,
You lying.
I am.
So you are lying.
Huh?
You lying to me?
I'm looking for it.
You lying.
Huh?
Can you help me look for it?
Oh my freaking God, man. What? What? What's what? Shit. I know where your phone is.
Don't tie it.
Man, I know where your phone is. Shit. Like,
Can you help me look for it?
I am looking for it right now. Man, I got paused that game calls you.
Thank you. Love you. Somebody's gonna marry you one day.
Yeah, I know.
Did you find it?
No, still looking.
Are you looking?
Yeah.
Are you lying to me?
No.
Because I know you.
What do you mean you know me?
Because I know you. You're going to get right back on your game and ignore me.
My game finna start back and finish. Drop my phone in.
No.
Man, look for your damn phone. It's your phone, not mine.
You wasn't even looking for it in the first place.
I was looking for it. What you mean?
No, you was not.
Babe, Granny. Look at that man score, man.
I don't know what you just said, but
This
I
nigga
don't
score
care.
because of you, bro. Just leave me alone, man. Shit.
It's not real.
What do you mean it's not real?
You act like
I'm playing against online players. They're real. They're human beings just like us. Damn, let's leave me alone and play that game. I know where your phone at. Move, bro.
Where is it?
I don't know.
You just said you know where's it.
I said I don't know where your phone
You
at.
said you know where's it.
I said I don't know.
You said you know.
Go put some shirt on. Don't you see it's cold?
It's not cold no more.
Just leave me alone, bro. Damn.
No, find my phone. Babe, come on, I need it. If you just help me look for it, then I'll stop bothering you. Promise. Pinky promise.
Leave me alone. I know your phone, bro.
Boy. Babe, come on. Bro, I'm not gonna tell you again. Turn.
Hey, chill out, chill out.
Ha! I found the button.
Chill out, chill out.
Babe, come on, just help me look for it.
I said, hold on, after this game, I'll help you look for it.
No, because that game is long. It's 36 minutes.
So what I mean?
It's long. I gotta wait a whole half hour just for you to find my
It's
phone.
not a half hour, girl. Chill out, man. Chill out.
Babe, can you help me find my phone?
I don't know where your phone is.
Babe, if you help me look for it, then we can find it.
I look. What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it doing? Chill
I'm
out.
looking for my phone.
Man, I'm using this game because of you, man. Can I just come to this game real quick?
No, wait. Can you wait until after?
No. I already started the game.
Oh. Babe, come on.
I scored. Yes.
Okay, now get off.
Hey. Sit. Hey, man, what are you doing? Chill out, bro.
Help me find my phone. I don't care about your soccer game.
I don't know where your damn phone at, stupid.
Babe, come
I
on.
don't know where your phone at, bro.
That's why you...
See.
I don't know what you just said.
See.
Ow.
Hey.
Help me find my phone.
Hey.
What is
I
that
score
called?
a game. I score a goal. Babe, I know your phone. You call it?
Yeah, I called. It's not ringing.
So what you want me to do?
Babe, come on. I just need it. And then after, you can just play whatever. Stop.
Don't do that shit. Why? Bun up on that.
But up.
No, I don't know your phone.
Babe, come on. Come on, if you help me find my phone, I'll play with you.
You don't know it now. I don't want you playing with me. You play with yourself.
No, but come on. Why you start a whole nother one?
It's the same game. It's just I score a goal, so.
Okay, can you pause it? This not online.
Ah. Do what?
You was on the game yesterday.
So?
Today is my day. It's my
you're right.
my day.
It's your day. You're right. It's
with
your
you.
day. No, me nigga.
Babe, come on. Babe, get off the game and help me
You know
find
what?
my phone.
It's
I'm
a
not
prank.
gonna.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
How is a prank?
Your phone is somewhere up on the ceiling. It's a prank. Like, you annoying now. My God, shit.
Well, cause you wasn't listening to
Vote-
me. Babe,
That's what I was trying.
I freaking hate you.
Oh shit. Yo, you didn't see the camera? I thought I could have sworn you saw it from me. I was
No,
going.
I didn't see it.
Guys, I put all this shit. I put this big ass back candy. This big ass shit all behind the camera.
You annoying.
It's a prank, man. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Okay, well, where's my phone? I don't care about this prank. Where's my phone?
I don't know.
What
I'm
the
sure.
heck do you mean?
It's on top of the fan. You gotta go get it.
Where?
It's on top of the fan. You gotta go get it.
Man, I'm gonna get this shit. Up here?
Yeah. Psych! It's right here, nigga.
Get my shit out of there! How the heck did you put that in there? Get my phone
It's
from
a
out of
prank,
there.
stupid.
I don't care. Get my phone from out of there. She claustrophobic.
Shit, okay. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and end this prank right here. I'm not gonna too long, man. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. I know what got it, man. I know, as I said, I'm personally say this is not really a banger prank, but this is just a starter pack, cause pranks for me is coming. I'm coming crazy with it, baby girl. Yeah, you dig. Alright guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. I'll see you guys in the next video.